You ever heard the term that escalated quickly? So evidently while I was filming my outro for my solar panel video, I was having a heart attack. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Finally quit raining here and still stuck at home because of the crisis. Figured it was a good day to get out and break out the solar panel kit that I carry in the trailer and do some charging on my cell phone and more free energy, saving $1. We appreciate y'all coming along. Please like, subscribe, and share. We're gonna get this set up for you. Something I started doing a long time ago, guys. This is a DeWalt drill case. Usually pretty cheap to pick up. If not, you have people to give it to you. But if you take a Dremel tool, you can modify them to carry just about anything. I'm gonna get it opened up and show you what I got inside. But this is my solar portable. As you can see here, it looks like a standard DeWalt drill box. But we've gone inside and modified it to carry portable solar. This is my large battery pack. It gives us 110, but not for that long. Digital display. I probably can't see it out in the sun. We'll try cutting it on. It allows you to input straight from a solar panel, USB outs, and other 12 volts out. This foam piece is what it originally came boxed in. And here is our solar charger, 65 watt. Sowaki, I'm not really sure, had good reviews. The difference was, and you have to be careful on this, it has a 12 volt out and it also has a USB out. A lot of these portable panels only have USB out, so you can't charge a battery of any sort. Comes with all these attachments. Came with the ability to convert the panel directly to a cigarette lighter plug. I also keep a multimeter in there. Now I've got another case here just to keep things organized, which allows me to charge directly to a battery off of the solar panel with alligator clips. And it gives me a way to charge this, pack directly off the panel by going through this piece. So whenever you look to put a kit together, make sure you get out there, and you might not necessarily have to buy a kit, all-in-one kit. You can get out a lot cheaper by buying things that'll go together. All right guys, so what I've got a hook right here on the trailer. Pretty much, you know, anyway, you can do it with a carabiner, but what I love about the portable folding panels is the fact that you can put them anywhere. One thing people don't consider is the heat. Most of your devices these days are black in color, and we can see here the indicator that the panel is charging. So we want to plug our USB charger in. And like I was saying about the heat, if you leave your device out in the heat while charging, you're going to run into a problem of it overheating. So I like to use a super long USB, and this is USB-C, and then be able to get the device itself out of the sun. So you can see here, got our panel set up, and we've got our device charging, but it's out of the sun. That way the battery doesn't heat up. Now some pluses that to this system, and the way I designed it, is being able to have it all in one case. Grab that case and go, and I've got the ability to keep charging my camera batteries, my cell phone. I've got some 5-volt lights, USB powered lights, USB powered fans. So by putting all that together, essentially I can go out camping, still have the minor comforts of home, but not have to worry about using one of the big generators. Now we do carry the big generators in the trailer, and we carry a smaller generator. I'm one that believes in being prepared. Sorry about the traffic noise going by. People are not listening to stay home like we are. Roads are still busy here in my town, but I like to carry the big generator in case there's multiple people camping. We can run heaters and stay comfortable. And then the smaller Harbor Freight style generator is just enough to run a heater at 700 watts or 750 watts to keep the trailer itself comfortable for me. Guys, I have to mention one thing I love about this kind of panel is it'll charge even on cloudy days. It'll charge in shadows, and just the fact that, you know, it does the 5-volt out, but right now it could do 12-volt out at the same time. So that 12 volts vital. Say you have a dead battery on your car, you can lay this panel out on top of the car and run those alligator clips directly to your battery and charge it up. Guys, we appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. It took about 2 hours to charge the phone. Like I said, I use it all the time. Sorry about the background noise. We'll see you on the next one. Term that escalated quickly. So evidently, while I was filming my outro for my solar panel video, I was having a heart attack. Feeling better now. Gonna be a little while before I can get back to normal. Finally getting discharged today. Had a 100% blockage. So
you don't have any tray here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So, getting out of the hospital today, and appreciate everybody's support and love, and we'll get you some updates coming soon. And some footage, evidently, of the helicopter taking me away, thanks to some of my friends. So, see you guys soon.